Hi, this is Jasmine Rivera, and I'm going to be going over Project Part 2, Part A, questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. So question 1 says, provide the main title of the data file in your data set, include the size of the data set units, and insert a picture of the first 10 values of the data set. Lastly, insert the link to the data file. So here is my inserted picture of the first 10 values of the data set, and then the link to the data file. Question 2, 2A, is the data set a sample or population? Provide a sentence explaining. The data set is a sample because we are collecting data from a specific group. There has also been no information given, therefore it is a sample. 2B states, does the author provide an estimate for the population standard deviation? Provide a sentence explaining. The author does not provide an estimate for the population standard deviation because it is a sample. Then question 3 says to evaluate the 5-number summary. So the minimum is 4.3, the Q1 is 6.9, median is 7.5, Q3 is 8.2, and the maximum is 10.3 with an N of 137. Question 4 says, evaluate the mean, variance, and standard deviation, properly type all formulas and variables, verify the results using technology, insert a picture of one variable statistics or a previous lab that evaluated the mean, variance, and standard deviation. Insert a picture of where technology was used to confirm your results. Follow the same format of question 3, lab output, and type variables, formulas, and results. So this is the inserted picture for the one variable stats. And then the mean formula is x bar equals the sum of x divided by n, which equals 7.4315328, and then the variance is s squared equals the sum of x minus x bar squared divided by n minus 1, which equals 1.2695557, and the standard deviation is the square root of the sum of x minus x bar squared minus n, or divided by n minus 1, which equals 1.1267456.